Hey Alka lovers, today I'm going to show y'all how to make a vegan pizza from scratch. And if you're looking for an alkaline version of it too, I got you. First, let's start off with the pizza sauce. We're going to add 5 Roma plum tomatoes to a blender. And for the seasoning, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 1 tablespoon of basil. We're also going to add a tablespoon of avocado oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of agave, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Blend it all up and then cook it on the stove for about 7 to 10 minutes. Now for the cheese, if you're looking for the alkaline version of the vegan Brazil nut cheese, I'm going to put the ingredients on the screen. You're going to blend it all up until smooth and then that's it. For the vegan cashew cheese, you're going to soak the cashews in hot water for 10 minutes. Then after you drain them, add them to a blender and add the seasonings. You're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, a squeeze of lime juice, and 1/2 cup of spring water. Blend that all up until smooth and then you're done. Lastly, we're going to make the pizza dough. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. I like to use white spelt flour, but any spelt flour works. You're going to put 1½ cup of flour into your bowl, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of agave or whatever other sweetener you have, 2 teaspoons of avocado oil, and then 1/2 cup of spring water. You're going to mix it all up until a ball of dough forms. You'll have to use your hands, but that's part of making pizza dough, okay? You're going to roll out the pizza dough to your desired size and thickness. You can make 1 large pizza or 2 personal pans with this recipe. Then you're going to use a fork to poke holes into the dough. This will help prevent your dough from forming bubbles when rising. Place in the oven for 7 to 10 minutes, and when you take it out, you're going to top it. Top it with the sauce, the cheese, and your optional toppings. I like to use spinach or kale, mushrooms, tomatoes, basil, but you can make it how you like it, okay? We're going to place it back in the oven for another 7 to 10 minutes and then take it out, let it cool, and then enjoy. That's it. If you try it, let me know in the comments how it turned out, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.